Dear students of class 5, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar. In this video, we are going to study few more exercises of verb and verb forms. We have studied the concept of verb and verb forms in the previous video. Let us revise what we have studied in the previous video. There are four forms of verb: V1, V2, V3, V4. V1 refers to the present form of the verb, V2 refers to the past form of the verb, V3 refers to the past participle form of the verb, V4 refers to the present participle form of the verb. Students, as you can see in the example, drive, think, drink and swim. They are set of irregular verbs. As you can see, the V2, V3 forms are different from each other. Like drive becomes drove, driven, think becomes thought, thought, drink becomes drank, drunk, swim becomes swam, swum. And the V4 form of the verb is the ing form of the verb. It will be the base form, that is the present form plus the ing. So it will give you the present participle ing form of the verb. The last two verbs, walk and jump, they will have the same past form and participle form. That is why they are known as the regular set of verbs or regular verbs, and they take the ed form in the past form and the past participle form. Now let us understand how a verb occurs in the sentence. So, it occurs either as an action or doing word, or it also occurs as showing state of possession or being, basically how the person is or what the person owns. So let us first study about how the verb occurs as an action word or a doing word. For example, skip, play, chirped, parked, bought, sung. These all are action words. So the verbs showing action can be in any of the four forms. Like we discussed in the previous slide, they can occur as the root or the base form of the verb, the present form, the past form, the past participle form, or the ing form of the verb. It can take any one of the four forms of the verb. Verbs that show a state of being or possession. So now let us understand what does it mean, state of being or possession. So basically it means that it shows how the person is or what the person owns. So I am tall. So it is showing the state of being of that person, how the person is. The person is tall. So I am tall. He is fat. He is fat. Means it is showing how the person looks. They are good boys. So how are they by nature? They are good boys. They are. I have a pen. She has a brother. So have and has is showing the state of possession. Am is and are is showing the state of being. State of being, how the person is. And have has shows how the possession, the belonging or the ownership of that person. The party was fun. The old people were kind. So again it is showing how the party was or how the people were. Verbs that show a state of being or possession, they are generally followed by a noun, pronoun or an adjective, sometimes with an article and sometimes without an article. Verbs that act as supporting verbs. Now children, let us understand what this term supporting verb means. Supporting verb means helping verbs. They are also known as auxiliaries. Okay, so generally as you can see in the first two sentences, the helping verbs am and are. I am walking today, they are running away. So the helping verb or the supporting verb is followed by the ing form of the verb. We were breathing heavily. Again in this example also, were is followed by the ing form of the verb. She has run a marathon. Again, the past form is having a helping verb in the front. Okay. The past participle form. Miss, my sister had eaten dinner by the time I got home. So again, had eaten is also the eaten is the past participle form and it is having the helping or the supporting verb had before it. He was killed in the war. They have walked for a long time. So the ed forms of the verb, as I discussed, the regular forms of the verb, they are having, the past forms are having was and have in front of it. Again, they are also the helping verb. Verbs that act as supporting verbs, they are followed by the present participle or the past participle form of the verb. Now let us children have a look at the exercise. This exercise is given on page number 57 of the Fun with Grammar. Identify the verbs in the following sentences and underline them. He is a miser. The price of potatoes has increased today. They play football every day. Sanju ate sandwiches for lunch. Kamla and Vinu were talking to each other. Karishma was wearing a blue coat. The prince is a good man. Geeta had written the answer before the teacher said it. Preeti fought with her sister. We have bought the books for this year. So in these all sentences, we have to underline the verbs which are the action words. So in the first sentence, children, is the verb. It is the supporting verb. It is showing how the person is. He is a very a kind of person who does not like to spend money. So he is a miser. Is the verb. In the second sentence, the price of potatoes has increased. So has is the supporting verb and increased is the past participle form of the verb. So has increased. They play football every day. So play is the present form of the verb. Sanju ate sandwiches for lunch. So ate is the past form. Kamla and Vinu were talking to each other. So were talking, again were is the supporting verb and followed by the present participle talking. Karishma was wearing a blue coat. Was wearing. So was is the helping or supporting verb and wearing is the ing or the present participle form of the verb. The prince is a good man. So is showing the state of being, how the prince is, what kind of person he is. So is the showing the state of being. Geeta had written the answer before the teacher said it. So had written, again had is the helping or supporting verb. Written is the V3 or the past participle form of the verb. So had written and said is again the action word. Preeti fought with her sister. Fought is again the V3 form of the verb. That is the past participle form of verb. We have bought the books for this year. So have bought means have is the helping verb, bought is the V3 past participle, have bought is the verb in this sentence. So now children, this fun corner activity is given in your book on page number 58. So you have to circle the action words in this story. So one beautiful spring morning, a merchant loaded his donkey with bags of salt. So loaded, again it's the action word, to take to the market and sell them. Sell is again the action word. The merchant and his donkey were walking. Again were is the helping verb, supporting verb, and walking is the ing, present participle form of the verb. Were walking. They had not walked. So again, it is a negative form of the verb. So had walked will be the verb. Far. When they reached a river. So again, reached is the ed form of the verb, the past form of the verb. As the river was slippery. Again, was is the helping verb there, supporting verb there. The donkey slipped. Slipped is the verb and fell into the river. So slipped and fell both are action words. The salt from the bags melted. Again, melted is the ed form of the verb, past form of the verb. Melted in the water. Melted is the verb. When the donkey got up. So again, got up is the present form of the verb, the base form of the verb. It noticed that the bags loaded on its back had become light. So noticed ed form of the verb, had become, again had is the helping verb and become, had become becomes the verb. There was nothing, again was is showing the state of being or possession. So was is the verb there, and could do. Could is again the helping verb, so could do is the verb there, except return home. So return is the verb there. The next paragraph, the next day the merchant again loaded, ed form of the verb, past form of the verb, loaded his donkey with bags of salt. As they reached, reached is again the ed form of the verb or the past form of the verb, the slippery river bank, the donkey thought, thought is again the past participle form of the verb. If I fall, fall again the present form of the verb. In the water, my load will become light. Will is the helping verb there, will become light. So it deliberately fell into the river. Again, fell is the past form of the verb. The merchant understood, again the past form of the verb, that the donkey was playing. Again, was is the helping verb there, supporting verb there, followed by a present participle, playing, playing a trick. He returned home. So ed form of the verb, returned, reloaded. Then in the next sentence, set out. Like got up and set out, they both are the present form of the verb. Reaching, on reaching the river, ing form of the verb, present participle. Again, fell. Fell is the past form of the verb. Becoming, ing form of the verb, present participle. Became, again it is the present form of the verb. Laughed, the ed, the past form of the verb. Said, again the past form of the verb. Think, the present form of the verb, and am is the showing the state of being of that person. It is the helping or supporting verb there. So all of you children have to do this exercise given on page number 58 as an activity. Thank you, students.